Engineering is always a key pillar of any economic progression in many countries, and that includes Singapore. Technology has advanced in recent times, driving towards automation. AI, cybersecurity, machine learning are important key technologies in coming years. Electrical and electronic engineers are the ones that will create these new solutions and innovations.
With 60 years of history, SP School of EEE continue to stay relevant with the industry. Today, we have 8 industry-collaborated technology hubs ranging from semiconductor technology to smart urban transportation. SP School of EEE offer 4 full-time diplomas and many other short courses, specialist diploma and advanced diploma. With the state-of-the-art facility and technology hub and supported by competent and nurturing lecturers, we aim to provide a journey of discovery and development of our students to be self-directed learner, versatile, solution-minded, and future-ready engineer who are trained to devise solutions for the digitally enabled world.
What SP has taught me is really beyond the textbooks. They apply both theoretical knowledge as well as hands-on experiences. And that has helped me really do a lot of projects throughout my career with the same application and the same mindset that I had from the school. So as a SP graduate, you'll be highly versatile, and in versatility there are 2 forms. The first is it opens up the door for you to work in many different sectors if you decide to seek employment. The other one that I would say is you would actually get yourself opened up because the diploma is widely accepted by renowned universities locally and internationally. If you have the intention to further your education, that gives you a good standing and a stepping board to take on the next step.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. To Se Kun, Director, School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, in short, EEE. And with me today, I have the course chairs of EEE.
Hi, I am Danny Lee, course chair, Diploma in Aerospace Electronic and Diploma in Engineering with Business.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tan Kwee Teck, course chair, Diploma in Computer Engineering.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tien Boon Ming, course chair for Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
In these info sessions, we will explore everything you need to know about the School of EEE. SP EEE was established as early as 1957. It continues to be the preferred school for students who want to pursue electrical or electronic engineering because of its strength in engineering education. To date, EEE has more than 50,000 alumni, many of whom have built successful careers, and quite a number have established themselves in the top echelons of their industries. Many have also clinched prestigious scholarships, such as the Public Service Commission Scholarship, Harvard University Scholarship, Changi Airport Group Scholarship, and SUTD SMU Double Degree Program Scholarship, just to name a few. School of EEE offers 4 full-time diploma courses. Let me invite my course chairs to tell you more about the 4 exciting diploma courses.
Do you want to build Singapore's aviation future through innovation with emerging technologies? If yes, Diploma in Aerospace Electronic, in short DAES, is for you. DAES will equip you with the skills and competencies in infocom technology, in emerging technologies, and aerospace engineering avionics domains to develop you to be a versatile engineers in both aerospace and adjacent industries. DAES focuses on the avionics of the aircraft. It is the requirement for B2 licensed aircraft maintenance engineer, and it covers aircraft communication, navigation, instruments, electrical, and flight electronic system, which make the aircraft smart. DAES provides the advantage when you pursue private pilot license at Singapore Youth Flying Club. DAES offer you a choice of 3 or 5 electives, which can lead to a certificate or a minor respectively. You can pursue your passion in aviation management or other areas such as commercial pilot theory, unmanned aircraft vehicle. With the elective, you can kickstart your pursuit to be an aircraft pilot or to be a certified CAAS unmanned aircraft pilot.
If you want to shape the digital world through innovation with 5G, AI, and Internet of Things solutions, then the Diploma in Computer Engineering, in short, DCPE, is for you. DCPE is the most comprehensive computer engineering course that you can find among polytechnics in Singapore. It covers 7 important fields of computing. They are computer systems, software development, smart city technologies, artificial intelligence, computer networking, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. We can cover so many different areas because DCPE has the largest intake among similar diplomas in Singapore. It also means that if you enroll into this course, you are bound to find a computing specialization that your heart desires. A common question students ask is, what is the difference between our DCPE course and IT courses? A main difference is that DCPE students learn both hardware and software, which are essential to the applications in robotics, smart city, automation, defense, and medical field. With a diploma in computer engineering, you can work as an associate engineer in computer systems, software programming, networking, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. The DCPE curriculum is aligned to industrial certifications. You may choose to go for a certification exam to get certification to further enhance your career prospects.
Do you want to spearhead Singapore technopreneurship landscape by transforming technology into business? If yes, Diploma in Engineering with Business, in short, DEB, is for you. In DEB, not only will you acquire knowledge and skill in electrical and mechanical engineering, you also learn how to apply business concept to engineering products and services. Among others, the core modules include consumer psychology, digital marketing, and artificial intelligence in engineering business analytics. DEB offers technology to business module, which provides students the skills and knowledge to transform technologies into businesses with the mentorship support by successful entrepreneurs. There's also a startup incubation hub at EEE, which provides collaborative space where DEB students can network with like-minded entrepreneurs. DEB is a multidisciplinary course that offers many options for further studies in engineering as well as businesses. DEB graduates can work as assistant product development engineers or business development executives, just to name a few.
If you want to advance Singapore's industry and services with smart and sustainable technologies, then the Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, in short, DEEE, is for you. DEEE is the most comprehensive diploma course in Electrical and Electronics Engineering among similar diplomas in Singapore. It is the most comprehensive as the curriculum offers a choice of 6 specializations in the final year: biomedical, communication, microelectronics, power, rapid transit, and robotics and control. DEEE aims to train engineers with a broad-based engineering education to support a wide range of electrical and electronics industry. DEEE course curriculums are mapped to the Singapore's skills framework for many industry sectors such as electronics, power and energy, engineering services, environmental services, food manufacturing, healthcare, infocom technologies, logistics, marine and offshore, public transport, precision engineering and security. This course is ideal for students who prefer a generic EEE education for a start and want flexibility and diversity in both their studies and career options. However, if you really need a little more time to decide which EEE diploma to pursue, you could consider the common engineering programs, which allow you 1 semester to explore the world of engineering before you make a decision.
Most of our engineering fresh graduates will begin their career as an assistant engineer, progress on to engineer, and then advance to senior engineer after they have gained technical experience in the field. Opportunity for growth and advancement to management position is possible after they have worked as a senior engineer for a few years by becoming a manager, taking up greater responsibility and challenges to hone their people management skills. Many EEE students aspire to go for further study after they graduate from SP. In fact, our EEE graduates are offered direct entry into second year or advanced standing at local and overseas university. Now in EEE, under our Agile, Collaborative, and Experiential program called ACE, you can get a head start in university life. Since 2020 intake, students in EEE courses can take up modules taught by NUS or SUTD as SP elective while they study in SP. This could potentially shorten the time from diploma to degree and to work. I invite you to watch a short video clip on EEE ACE program.
Introducing our ACE program, a collaboration between SP, School of EEE, and leading university and industry partners. At SP School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, we recognize that every student is unique, and there is always a group of high-performing and motivated students who are adaptable, self-directed, and always seeking out learning opportunities outside of the curriculum. That's why we created the ACE program, to maximize the potential of these learners. In our ACE program, we engage students in agile learning through different platforms, different places, different times. This is achieved through collaborative partnership with university and industry, resulting in experiential experiences for these high-performing students. Introducing our current ACE partners, National University of Singapore NUS, Singapore University of Technology and Design SUTD, and GovTech Singapore. All SP EEE students will go through 3 years of Polytechnic studies with a 22-week-long internship. For ACE students under the NUS or SUTD program, they will be studying university modules at the respective university during their final semester in SP. When they graduate from SP with their fellow cohort, they will have exposure to university modules and experience with university campus life. Students may also be given conditional offer for admission to the university, and the credit earned from the university modules will be recognized by the university, which will reduce the students' time to complete their NUS or SUTD degree program. For ACE students under the GovTech program, they will do a 12-month-long internship at GovTech during their final year of studies. GovTech is the government agency that plays a vital role in our Smart Nation vision realization. A full year-long internship will provide the ACE students with valuable exposure to the tech industry and strategic national projects, mentorship and peer learning opportunities from colleagues in GovTech. If they perform well in their internship, they may be offered a position in GovTech or the Smart Nation Scholarship if they choose to further studies in a local or overseas universities. Let's hear from our current ACE students.
I wanted to join the SP-NUS collaboration program as it allows me to study university modules while still in SP. Instead of 3.5 years, those under this program will take 3 years to obtain an NUS degree. I wanted to complete my education fast and be able to enter the workforce to contribute to society. Personally, I think that this program encourages EEE students to strive for academic excellence. To be selected for this program, a student has to be of a certain caliber. So one is motivated to work hard to be better than others, if not the best. The program also enhances the value of EEE diploma programs because once selected, a poly student who does well in his studies can not only be assured of a place in NUS, but also a quicker ticket to realize his degree ambitions. I would strongly encourage them to join this program for a few reasons. Firstly, it is to challenge oneself. Secondly, it is to instill good work ethics and discipline. Under this program, I have learned to better manage my time, making sure that I am right on track for my tasks and that I have planned things out smoothly. By doing so, I believe that it keeps me motivated to study and focused on my goals that I have set out for myself. I also believe that this program will benefit them as much as it has benefited me thus far.
I wanted to join the 12 months GovTech internship as it would give me the opportunity to be exposed to the nationwide initiative of Smart Nation building and have a look at how these projects are managed, developed, and more importantly, I can be part of this national initiative. My course prepared me very well for my internship at GovTech. Having a strong foundation in electronics, computer interfacing, and smart city technologies enabled me to quickly pick up and understand the different technologies I have to learn and use for my projects. Other than that, my experience from working on self-guided, flexible projects in Engineering Academy had proven useful in getting used to the self-directed approach and intensity of my internship. This program is suitable if you want to experience working in a leading technology organization like GovTech. And having 1 full year allows you to work on your project from start to deployment, giving you a more holistic and fulfilling experience.
Embark on the ACE journey with us. Scan the QR code to find out more. With ACE, we aim to discover your potential.
We are also very grateful to many organizations and industry partners who believe in our students. In fact, EEE students have been the recipients of numerous scholarships from many local organizations.
To prepare our students to be work-ready, all EEE students will have industry exposure through the 22-week solution internship in their final year to work on industry or iconic projects. We offer internships in reputable companies such as Singtel, Singapore Power Group, A-Star, Siemens, SMRT, Airbus, Rolls-Royce, OCBC, Mapletree, etc. Let's watch a video on one of our interns sharing his internship experience.
Hello, my name is Scott and I have been doing my internship here in GovTech for the last 9 months. I've worked on various projects from the Internet of Things to robotics. When I began my internship in the September of 2020, I was tasked with the design and implementation of the MySpot project. The project was aimed to create a local means of contact tracing, similar to the pre-existing Trace Together program.
So what we've observed about Scott is that he has, which is very rare, is that he has a certain passion and determination to succeed. So much so that he's messaging me on weekends, Saturday, Sunday nights about work. It's very rare, and for a guy at his age, yeah. But of course, and that also kind of leads to his sort of very strong technical abilities, because we noticed that he's very strong in infocom technologies. And of course, we love having him around. So we've extended his internship like 2 times. And now he's been here for about a year. And what we've noticed is that he's picked up with a very deep level understanding of robotics. So I think we're impressed both with Scott as well as Singapore Polytechnic. And I think this is what and I'm so happy because this is what we sort of desire to see in the students that is benefiting them. And also for GovTech and in the RMF also for the country lah, I would say that.
First, I began by listening at Teams meetings and started looking out for pinpoints or processes that can be improved. The hardware I had was an all-in-one ESP32 called an M5 stack, a router, a Python Django API server. When I first entered the project, I found that the extraction of data from my spots took a whopping 1 hour, limited to a specific mobile phone. Taking this pain point, I developed the pod extractor, which is a command line tool that works on laptops, extracting data in 15 minutes. This then became the standard for extracting data from my spots, used in MOH trials for the evaluation of national safe management measures.
Scott is a very self-directed individual, so he sourced for this internship himself with GovTech. So I think the environment at GovTech and the internship has given him a lot of exposure and opportunities for him to continue to exercise this self-directed learning attribute. He will go out and look for different projects that he can get involved in, getting himself involved in many of these projects. And when I visited him during the LO visits, he was also very enthusiastic to share with me all the different things that he has done and how he has contributed. I think this whole experience have been very good for him, and I can see even from his supervisors at GovTech that he has indeed contributed to them in the midst of this internship.
During this internship, I found that I had the opportunity to apply everything I had learned in SP and even more while in GovTech. Furthermore, making such big impacts in my community. And lastly, I would like to give my thanks to GovTech, my supervisors, Timothy and Dr. Lim, and all my colleagues who are extremely supportive and encouraged me throughout my time here in my internship.
To prepare our students to be world-ready, AAA students have ample opportunities to participate in overseas exposure programs such as leadership programs, internship, competitions, and community involvement projects. Due to the current pandemic, some of the overseas programs are suspended and some have moved online. To prepare our students to be life-ready in EEE, opportunities abound for the students to develop and put their leadership training to good use in committee work and competitions. Over the years, EEE has won numerous awards in the areas of robotics, autonomous aerial vehicle, and smart nation projects and competitions. With our staff's continuous effort in nurturing the students in their passionate pursuits, we are proud that our students and staff has grown from competing locally to being one of the top players in international robotic competitions.
To prepare our graduates for employment in the fast-changing digital world, EEE Diploma's curriculum constantly keeps up with emerging technologies. This is done through our strong industry partnership. EEE has 8 industry-collaborated technology hubs. Besides supporting student learning, the collaboration facilitates the transfer of knowledge and skills from the leading industries to our staff to SME, with our staff working with the SME to apply digital technologies to seize growth opportunities in the digital economy. To get a glimpse of our learning spaces, I now invite you on the tour to some of our state-of-the-art facilities.
As Singapore's first polytechnic and also a polytechnic for all ages now, SP provides pre-employment training as well as continuing education for skills training and upgrading. SP's EEE curriculum comprises engineering domain knowledge, common core curriculum, and a choice of electives. Our engineering curriculum is aligned with the skills framework by Skills Future Singapore, driven by the industry and Singapore future needs. Apart from the technical skills, we train our students in generic skills such as teamwork and critical thinking skills and imbue in them with SP core values. Our education model will equip our learners with attributes of the 21st century workforce, namely competency and versatility, communications and collaboration, creativity, innovations and enterprise, ethics and responsible citizenry, self-directedness, and personal effectiveness, and global mindset. The Common Core curriculum comprises the critical human and emerging digital skills, offers students an integral and interdisciplinary learning experience to meet the demands of a disrupted world in line with the development goal of the United Nations. SP elective framework allows EEE students a choice of 3 or 5 electives in their course of study with the possibility of leading to a certificate or a minor based on their interests and passions to develop our students to be self-directed and versatile. Our pedagogy CDIO conceive, design, implement, and operate represents the 4 key stages of most engineering activities. It is an engineering education framework developed by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, and adopted by over 100 institutes worldwide. In the 2018 MIT report, Singapore Polytechnic is the only polytechnic from Singapore identified just outside the top 10 list as the current leader in engineering education.
The entry requirement for EEE courses is English with grade 1 to 7, 1 mathematics subject with grade 1 to 6, 1 science subject with grade 1 to 6, and 2 best subjects with grade 1 to 6 each. Total aggregate must not exceed 26.
Thank you for watching today's info sessions on School of EEE. Be sure to get the latest update on SP and EEE at www.sp.edu.sg and follow us on social media. We hope to see you in SP. Thank you and goodbye.